Running a small business means chasing every lead, even the ones that'll never convert. What if you could stop wasting time? Automate your lead scoring. Use Apollo.io or Moksy.ai to score leads based on job title, company size, and buying intent. Step 2. Filter the right leads. Set up scoring rules in Apollo. For example, only engage decision makers at companies with 50+ employees. Step 3. Auto-enrich lead data. Use Clay.ai to pull LinkedIn data, tech stack, and funding rounds. Step 4. Trigger smart follow-ups. Use smartlead.ai to create sequences that stop if a lead scores below your threshold. Step 5. Focus on real buyers. Redirect high-score leads to your calendar with Calendly. And just like that, you've saved hours by avoiding follow-up on unqualified leads.